Here's a quick tour of your IXL checklist. All of the skills are listed on the left side of the sheet. Green skills are essential. White skills are important but can be skipped. The green boxes are how you will check off a skill once it's been completed, and you will record your score here. To launch a skill, you'll hover over the skill name and the hyperlink will show up just above it. Click the hyperlink and it will take you directly to IXL and directly to that skill. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have checked that you are the one that's logged in. Several families are sharing computers and you don't want to practice a skill under a different student's name. And this particular skill, you can notice that this student already has the medal here, which means they have already earned a SMART score of 100. There is no need to redo this skill. So go back to your spreadsheet, mark it complete, and put a score of 100. If your skill had a different score here, such as 83 or 94, you could also jump back to your spreadsheet and just record that skill. If you launch a skill that has not been previously practiced or has a score lower than 80%, then you will need to work on that skill. This particular skill currently has a 51 score, but you can see the gold medal says that at one time she did earn a 100. So she can record the highest score that she has learned at this time and put a 100. We're going to skip that white skill and see if we can go down to the next one. This one has a couple of ribbons, but no gold medal. So it means that the highest score that she has earned, let's see, it's hard to tell what she has earned here. So we're going to go ahead and just practice to get this up to at least 80. And then she can record that skill. I know several of you have already started practicing in IXL, and so I want you to know that you don't have to redo any of those skills if you notice that they have been previously practiced. This particular skill has never been practiced. She does not have a SMART score yet, and there's no ribbons. So estimating to solve word problems would need to be a skill that needs to be practiced by this student. All right. At the bottom, you can switch from math to ELA. If you are a 5th grader or an 8th grader, you'll have science also. So you'll notice that there are several skills that can be skipped. You're welcome to still practice those skills. It's such a good idea, but if you would like to skip a skill, the white skills would be ones to skip. Down at the bottom, your average score is going to be recorded down here and calculated. So make sure that you make at least a 90% or higher for your average overall score. All right, have fun.